So hi guys, welcome back to TechB. So in this video we are going to discuss about how can you create watch list, correct? So basically what is watch list actually, correct? So watch list means something like it's a favorite list of stock, you can say, where you want to see it regularly, like means follow regularly a particular stock, and whenever required you can easily purchase from that list. Means it is accessible to you always within few seconds. Okay, instead of going and searching from the whole list. Okay, so it's you can say like your favorite basket from where you can easily pick that stock and purchase whenever you want to purchase, or you can check the each and every detail on the regular basis without going and searching like all the time, correct? So this is something called watch list, which is help to proceed your order faster. Means you can follow regularly, and whatever the price you required you can purchase at that particular price. Okay, as you know that market is like most of the time highly volatile, means going ups and down, correct? So it is like little bit difficult for us to purchase the particular stock at correct price, correct? So this is the reason for that you can create the watch list for your reference. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a watch list in Paytm Money. Okay, so I'm opening my Paytm Money app. Okay, so it's opening already, correct? So after opening Paytm Money, this is the my first page, correct? So I have to log in my ID. Okay, for that you can just click on stock or blue color rectangular box, correct? So after that you will be asked to provide your passcode or biometric authentication. For login you can just provide whatever you have given. Okay, after that you can see that my dashboard is already showing here. Okay, so you can find watch list option is there after the dashboard in below portion, means downside, correct? So after clicking on watch list you can see that lots of watch list is already created. Okay, like my watch list, new focus, option, focus, extras, something like that you can create n number of watch list. Maybe almost I think 10 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, yeah, 10 number of watch list can be created at a time. Okay, if you want to create more you have to remove the older one, correct? And if you want to change edit your watch list, means list of stock in particular watch list, you can click on this edit watch list option. You have to go to the full below of your list and you can get each edit watch list in each of your watch list, either my watch list, even in new focus, everywhere you will get. If you once click on that particular edit watch list you will get an option which you want to remove. So once I suppose I want to remove this Vpro third number from downside, correct? So I just click the delete icon, it will be successfully deleted. And now click on right button, top right side, correct? Click on that, it will be recorded successfully, correct? So this is how you can edit your watch list, correct? So if you want to create new watch list as per your requirement, you have to just drag from right to left side your whole watch list, and at the end of the list you will get a option of manage list, correct? This is manage list, click on that manage list. Okay, from here you can create my list is already filled, 10 watch list is already created. So I am just deleting one. You can, for delete purpose you can just click on that particular watch list, you will get a rename or delete option, you can delete your watch list. Now I can create, now I am clicking on add watch list. Once again I am creating new, after that I have to confirm it. Now this new is created. If I want to add stock in this particular new section, please keep your name like genuine name, like I mean to say if you want to follow feature and option, or you can say penny stock, your favorite stock, something like that, you can keep your watch list name, correct? So it's up to you what do you like to give the name, correct? So now I'm clicking in this add stock. Okay, from here I can add whatever the stock required, correct? Suppose I'm not searching, I'm just adding this Gujarat fluorochemicals. Okay, for that you can see that there is a icon is showing right side, correct, which is not filled with yellow color. It means that this particular stock is not available in your watch list. Okay, and you can see that remaining other three has yellow color filled, correct. That means that particular stocks is already available in my watch list, maybe in one list or maybe in more than one list. Okay, it can be one or more, correct. So for example, I'm just adding this Gujarat fluorochemical in the new watch list. I'm just new, clicking on the icon new. See, added to watch list successfully. If I want to add in one more watch list, once again I have to click on the same icon. I will get like I'm just clicking on this favorite. Now see, added to watch list, correct. I will go back and you can check that fluorochemical is already added in new as well as favorite. These two watch lists is already, those things is already available. If you want to remove, you can go to this watch list, edit watch list, correct. Either you can just go to search button. Once again you can click on the same icon where you have clicked for adding purpose. Now once again click on the same icon where you have clicked like adding purpose. So like I want to remove from new watch list and now I want to keep in favorite, so I'm just clicking on new. See, remove from watch list successfully. Now I'm going back. See, in favorite Gujarat fluorochemicals is already available. If I go to the new one, see, there is a no stock, correct. So this is how you can create the watch list for your convenient, from where you can follow that particular stock regular basis, and whenever required you can purchase easily. Okay, so this is something called watch list. If you want to like more details of you if you are having some doubts, you can definitely comment in the below section, correct, where I will definitely try to revert back you and answer your queries, correct. So if you want to listen this same what is watch list in Hindi as well, you can just go to your you can just go to this playlist section. Okay, from where you can also get the Hindi version of this particular video. Okay, so where it is explained in Hindi, so whatever the language you are comfortable, you can just watch it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and also share to your friends so that they would also know about this. Okay, let me tell one more things. This watch list is available in each of the app, whatever the broker app you are using, correct. Maybe some option is like here and there, but mostly in all whatever the apps brokers app is there, you will find the same thing. Okay, so see you guys through the next video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe this video for and hit the bell icon to get latest notification of the latest video, correct. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.